vlog, this Full Life 5, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to paint your trim. We've done this in several houses now, and I've got some tips and tricks to share with you, as well as our favorite products that we've used to do this. So first you're going to start with a high quality primer. I recommend Valspar's High Hiding Primer and Sealer. You're going to need 2 coats of this, especially if it's a dark stain, and I recommend using an angled trim brush to get into the nooks and crannies to easily get all of those corners and everything. After you've primed with 2 coats, then you're ready for your trim paint. I recommend Valspar Door and Trim Enamel. This paint is great paint. You will not be disappointed. We've used several different paints before, and this by far has been my favorite. Some tips I'd like to share with you, instead of taping off your trim, you can get one of these handy little edgers that you can put between your flooring and the base of the trim, and then the top of your trim, and paint. With this tool, it's really handy. It saves time. You don't have to tape off. You don't have to worry about the tape pulling the paint off or any of that kind of stuff, so I really like that. This is after 1 coat of the Valspar primer. This is after the 2nd coat. You really want the 2nd coat to pretty much look like the trim is done. Then you're ready for your final coat, which adds that rich glossy finish to it, and it's an oil-based, Valspar is an oil-based trim paint, and it cleans up really nice with just soap and water. It's super easy to maintain, and it resists scuff marks and scratches, and so it's excellent paint. One thing I will say is that it says that there's no priming needed. I definitely recommend using a primer. I would not use this paint without a primer. I have used their cabinet enamel without a primer before, and it does not do well. So I would definitely use a primer. So that's it, 2 coats of primer and a coat of trim paint, and you are on your way to some beautiful trim work that looks like it was painted by a pro. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and for more on our home, you can visit thisfulllife5.com. I've linked all the sources below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.